Singapore, the city where the future meets the present. When night falls, Marina Bay shines like a jewel, and the gardens by the bay glow in breathtaking colors. Every skyscraper reflects the spirit of innovation, and every street feels alive. From the waterfront to the sky bridges, this is Singapore City at night, one of the most beautiful and futuristic cities in the world. Watch the full top 10 most beautiful cities at night on my channel.